One of the things I love about my Tesla Model Y is the panoramic glass roof. With the panoramic glass roof, it's going to make your cabin seem spacious. One of the problems with the glass roof in your Tesla Model Y, on a hot summer day, you're going to feel a lot of heat coming in from above. That's where Handshow has you covered, because today we're going to install an electric sunshade for your glass roof in your Tesla Model Y, and it's going to be one of the easiest installs where you can get a great discount up to 22% off when you visit Handshow, and I'm going to leave all of this down in the link below when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. So whenever we first open the box, you're going to want to pull out your little blue baggie, because this baggie is super important. Inside of the bag, everything that you need for this installation is found right here. And not only is this an electric sunshade, it is also controlled through voice command. So it's almost like being at home whenever you say Alexa, or on your iPhone you can say, "Hey Siri." Well, meet TT. So let's get right to the install. Already we went on and put the sunroof laid in the car. I am keeping the plastic on because we do want to protect it so it doesn't get dirty in the process. And this is a super easy install, especially whenever you have a partner that you can do it with. So if you have someone, thanks Keish. So if you have someone that you can have just to be the extra hand, it's going to go double the time. Here in the back, the first thing that we want to do is peel up the weather trimming just a little bit, not a lot. It's nothing to be nervous about, because all we want to do is get behind here. We do have a hook here if you need to pull, but you see it's already flexible, and all we want to do is get behind here, and we're going to disconnect the cigarette lighter. And I am here on the driver's side. I did disconnect the cigarette lighter here, as you can see, and we are going to get the cord that it came with. And what we're going to do is that we are going to plug orange into orange. It's color coded very well. Well, that's orange too. Well, anyway, it's going to plug right in here until it clicks. And you see now we have a tight connection there. And after we do that portion, we're going to take this right here, and we are just going to reach down a little bit, and we are just going to plug this right on in. And I'm not pulling it out all the way, but if you need to pop it out all the way, you can do so. But you see it's just right here, and we are going to just push it right on in. Then you saw it's a click, and you can see there it's a tight fit. So this additional wire that's dangling out, we're going to run this right here under the trim, because this is going to be your power supply for your electric sunshade. All right, now that we have all of that taken care of, this is where you're going to need that extra person. And because what we're going to do is we're going to take the electric sunshade, and we're going to just lift it up and let it just rest there on the passenger seats while we take the cords out and connect it to here. And then we're going to fish it right through under here. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now that we went on and fished it through, only thing we're going to do now is just going to plug it in. And we put it in, and until it clicked. There we go. Now we have everything, the wires are already running through. What we're going to do is have these hooks right here, and we're just going to let it rest right here in the crevice. So while the second person is holding it in the back, all I'm going to do is look into my blue bag here, and I'm going to take two hooks. You have two hooks like this, and we are going to attach those two hooks over here. So you see there's like a screw hole. Then we're going to take a screw, and we are going to take this screw and just screw it right in, and it's just going to attach. And after we do this side, we're going to go and take the other side and do the same thing. So I'm just going to rest those hooks right there for now. And inside of the blue baggie, you do have white gloves, so this doesn't get dirty. So I am just going to go on and put them on. Totally forgot about them, but yeah, I'm going to start that right now. We got the driver's side done, so now we're going to repeat the same process using the screwdriver and putting the hook right above here on the passenger side. So we do have some double-sided adhesive tape. Well, I wouldn't call it double-sided, but it's a one-sided adhesive and it's like some felt on the other. And we're just gonna place this right on the trim here just to hide the screws and just make it look more comfy and more like a car versus looking at screws in a metal bar. Now that the sunshade is installed, I'm just going to go through some of the features. And remember, this is a voice command electric sunshade, but you do also have the manual feature. And this is how manual will work. Simply up here, you have a button. You see right now the sunshade is open. So if I press the arrow going this way, just one quick time, it's going to move on its own. However, if you want to stop it, I'm just going to hit real quick. You see it stopped. Now, if I hold it, I'm going to try to get everything in frame. If I hold it, once I stop, it's going to stop. However, if I press the button fast one time, it's going to continue and run this entire cycle. So now I'm going through some of the voice command features. I did turn off the microphone here just so you can hear the voice command. So hopefully you will be able to pick it up better. But the awakening words will be, "Hello, TT.
I'm here."
And she said, "I'm here. Close sunshade." And once I do that, the sunshade is closing. So you can see that it's coming up. If I say, "Stop power."
Stop.
Once I say stop, it stops
Stop.
in the cycle. Open.
Open.
So once I say open, it's going to open.
Open.
And if you don't want her to keep talking to you, exit voice control.
Let me know if you need me.
And she said, "Let me know if you need me." And all of those voice commands are also found in the blue baggie. You can get up to 22% off of not only this accessory, any accessory, whenever you visit my friends over at Hand Show. And I'm going to leave all of that information down below. And don't forget the special promo code in order to receive that good discount. It's just Frugal Me.
Let me know if you need me.
So you can check out more videos, all accessories and things about your Tesla and your money right over there. Be sure you subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video. And I will see you in the next video.